Let nature live in the home, starting with a vase. The clever collocation can inject vitality and artistic atmosphere into various spaces. Silver mirror design, smooth and shiny. The unique light of the broken diamond, only to foil your personality space. Scope of use. Insert green plants or flowers in the mirror vase to form a contrast between nature and technology. The mirror material can reflect the light, making the space appear brighter and more spacious. What are our advantages? Diamond making process. The perfect combination of glass and broken diamonds. Mirror fabrication. In order to improve the quality and service life of mirror glass, it is necessary to carry out special treatment on its surface through various technologies. Tea can be placed in the living room, dining room, bedroom or study as an ornament to decorate the space. Different styles. Elevate your decor with art loge, where reflection meets artistry.